What's up, mates? How you guys doing out there, man? Oh, man, I absolutely love this strategy that I came up with. It's called the Survivor. And, man, this thing is a freaking cash cow, dude. Here's what you have to do. You have to have a bankroll, and you got to have some balls, okay? You got to have some big balls to play this one. Guys, this strategy is awesome. Absolutely awesome. You cannot play it scared. You just do exactly what I'm doing with no fear, okay? Don't have any fear. We're not going to work any come outs. We're not going to work any come outs. All right? Here's what we're going to do, guys. Watch this bad boy. Here we go. This is called the Survivor. The Survivor. The point is a 9. Okay, here's how you're going to play this one. Round number 1, level number 1. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, and 50. Okay, guys, now I'm not going to play with caps, okay? I know that the 6 and the 8 would be 60, okay? We all know that. Okay, here we go. One hit. That's called the Survivor. You just want one hit. That's it. Okay, there's a 3. Go for one more. 5. That's it. Okay, $70. Okay, we'll round it off. Boom, you're down. Okay, guess what? You get to stay on level 1. Point is still at 9. You get to stay on level 1. We started with $10,000, okay? $10,000. We're going to count it up. You guys are not going to believe how awesome this thing does. I mean, guys, in practice, I haven't played it at the casino yet. But guys, in practice, I'm doubling my money almost every time. It's crazy. Watch this. Okay, there's our 7, okay? So here comes the come out. Okay, a 4 is the point. Okay, you're on level 1, $50. Okay, now here comes Survivor. You just need one hit. Hard 4. Okay, $100. Okay, you take your 100, you're down. Okay, wait for the 7. I don't care how long the rolls are. I don't care how much money you would have made. I don't care if it was a God roll. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. All you care about is doubling your money. Okay, there's a 7 right there. Okay? Okay, here comes the come out. Point is a 5, okay? All right, we're going to go ahead. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. 50. So instead of me coming down, I'm just going to turn my bets off because it's hurting my back. Okay, here we go. One hit, Survivor. 8, it's over again. You get $50, pay $60. Okay, we're just going to take 50 this time. All right, guys, we're off. We're off. Okay, there's a 5. It doesn't matter. I don't care if we roll 100 rolls. Okay, there's a 6. We would have won again. It doesn't matter. Okay, another 6. 7. Okay, so we don't lose anything. We were off. Okay, we're looking for a come out. 11, looking for a come out. 12. 3. 7. 8 is the point. Okay, we're staying on level 1 because we keep winning. Looking for one hit, it's a 6. Okay, that's going to be $70. I'm going to take, I'm sorry, $60. $60. Okay, okay, guys, we're off. We turned our bets off. Hard 10. Where you make your big money is when you have to go up. You'll see what I mean. Okay, 11. Watch how much this sucker wins, man. Watch how much this sucker wins. It's crazy. Okay, you're getting that long roll now. That was the point. New points of 5. We're still off, guys. 5, that's the point. Here comes a new point. 9 is the new point. Hard 10 is my friend. 8. 7. Okay. Okay. We're going to wait for the come out. 7 again. 12. 8 is the point. Okay, here we go. Level 1, playing Survivor. We hit the 9. It's over. That's $70. Go ahead. We'll give them a nickel. We took 75, give them a nickel. Okay, guys, the point's a 9. We're off. Actually, the point was an 8. I'm sorry. Okay, that's a 2. We're off. Doesn't matter. 7. Okay? So we're going to stay on level 1. Here comes the come out. 3. Hard 6. Okay, point is a 6. Let's do it. Survivor time. A 9. Another 70. We'll take 100. We'll give them 30. Okay, guys, we're off. We're off. 9. 5. We're still off. 5 again. 6. That's the point. Here comes the come out. 8 is the point. Gosh, I can't even believe we haven't even had to go up. We're still on the same level. That's crazy. Okay? I mean, you don't get picked off a lot, but you kind of actually want sometimes to get picked off to get to the bigger money. When you get to the bigger money, guys, watch how much money you make. It's so crazy. If you got the balls, you're going to make a ton. There's a 7. Okay. Okay, we're going to wait for a point. Another 7. Sweepy's throwing that dice. Sweepy just threw 3 7s in a row. Sweepy, you need to practice your shot. Watch Sweepy. Ready? Sweepy just rolled that. Okay, hard 6 for Sweepy. All right. All right, Sweepy. Go ahead and do us the honors. Here's our Survivor roll by Sweepy. Sweepy hit the 8. All right, Sweepy. Okay, we're going to get $60, guys. We'll take 100. We'll give them back 50. We owe them 10. Okay, we're point is still a 6, but we're off. We turned our bets off. There's a 7. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Okay, we're going to look for a point. Point is a 5. Okay, we're going to go for it. Level 1, Survivor. 7, our first pick-off. Our first pick-off, okay? All right, so we're going to lose 100, 200, 300. We're going to give them 300 right there, all right? Now, this one, this is our money now because we just paid for it. No problem, because we're going to the black chips, okay? Now, we didn't go up a unit. We went up 2 units, okay? Now, you only go up to 2 units on level. You only go from level 1 is 50, level 2 is 100. Now, if we lose, then we go to 200, then 300, then 400, okay? So at this, when you get to the black chips, it only goes up a unit, okay? Until we get to the $500 chips, and the max bets will be $1,000. If we are not successful by then, you're just going to go broke, okay? All right, so we started with $10,000, okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to work. Here we go. Okay, it's a hard 10. Okay, so we get $200. Okay, so we lost 300, right? We lost 300. So what we're going to do is watch this. We're going to pull this down, and we just go back to the 50, which is level 1. And you have to get the second hit. A 5. It's over. Okay, we hit the point. We get $70. We'll take 100. Give them 30. Okay, now we're off. That was the point. And now you're back to square one like it never happened. And you get to do level 1 again, okay? All right, here we go. It's a 12. Looking for a point. 5 is the point. Okay, we're not... yeah, let's we have to wait for a 7, but we're just going to take a chance to get one more. 7. We broke our rule. See what happens when you break the rule? All right, we got to give them 300 again. Okay? All right, now this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 100 on top of my 150. I'm going to add 100 on top of my 50 is what I meant. Okay, so now we're just going to go like this. Okay. Okay, here we go. We're working. 9. Okay, 150 is going to pay 210. Okay. All right, now we had lost like 300, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to level 1, and we're going to throw one more hit. One more hit. Here we go. 5. It's over. All right, we're going to get 70. And guess what? We're right back to square one. Dealer, we're off. We're off. We're off. Okay, we're going to wait for a 7. And there's a 7 right there. There's a 7. Okay, here comes the come out. There's a 9. And now we can play Survivor. We only need 1 hit now. We're back to normal. We don't need 2 hits. We're working. 6. We got it. Okay. Free money, guys. This is a cash cow, bro. It's a cash cow. Okay, that's $60. We're going to give him 40. We'll actually give him 50. All right, we're off. We're off. Hard 6. 4. Guys, this strategy is really awesome. Okay, that's the point. I mean, you really could do some damage with this strategy. There's a 7. Okay, so that was the come out, actually. So because the 7 roll, we can go ahead and work now. There's a 9. Okay, level 1 still. We're working. There's a 12. Let's go for one more. 8. We got it. Another $60, guys. Another $60. Is this sucker a cash cow or what? We're off. 7. See what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. We're off on the come out. 7 again. We're still off. 4. We're working. Okay, we're working. We're still on level 1. 10. $100. Turn them off, dealer. 9. We're still off. 6. We're off. We don't care. We're making money. We're making money. 8. 8. 5. 7. Perfect. Okay. Okay, this will come out. 2. 7. 4 is the point. Let's work Survivor. We only need 1 hit. 2. We need one more roll. One more good roll. 10. Another $100. Okay, we're off, dealer. We're off. 7. Oh my Lord. How about this strategy, bro? Okay, here we go. We're off. 7. 8 is the point. We're working. We need 1 hit. Survivor, baby. Survivor. 4. Give me another $100. Give me another $100. We're off, dealer. We're off. 12. 7. Didn't cost us a penny. Here comes the come out. Hard 10 is my friend. We're working. Survivor, baby. Give me another $100 for a little tea in the Benzow. Give me another $100. We're off, dealer. We're off. 5. 6. 8. 8. 2 hard 8s in a row. 4, 3, 7. Okay, here we go. This is the come out. We're off. 7 again, back to back. 4. Okay, we're going to work. Survivor, baby. Here we go. 8. Give me the money. Give me the $60. Okay, I'm going to take 100, give them 50 this time. Okay, we're off, dealer. We're off. 12. 10. 6. 8. 3. 3. 8. 7. Okay, here comes the come out. 9 will be the point, guys. We're working. Here we go. Survivor needs one hit. Give me the $100. Give me the $100. We're off, dealer. We're off. 11. 6. 11. 11. 5. 10. 8. 7. 4, 3, 7. Okay, we're going to be off on the come out. 8 was the point. Okay, Survivor. Here we go. We need one hit. 5. Give me the $70. We're going to take 100. We'll give them 30. We're going to cash out. Guys, we never even got up. If you get up to the $300 a number, the $500 a number, the $500 a number is the funnest because you got $3,000 across the board. You got $3,000 across the board. If you hit a 4 or a 10, you get $1,000. If you hit a 5 or a 7, you get $700. If you hit a 6 or an 8, you get $580. Guys, it's just unbelievable strategy. It's been doing so good. I'm playing at the casino tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm probably gonna just buy in for $5,000, not 10 grand. I'll probably buy in for $5,000 instead of 10. All right, so here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 5,000 right there. Okay. All right. So there's your 10,000, guys. There's your 10,000. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1,000. We made $1,160. Guys, we played the entire session on level 1 except for one time. One time we went to the black chip level. One time. We stayed on the first level at $50. Guys, we were only hitting one come out. I mean, one hit after the come out. One hit. And you just won $1,100 that fast. Think about that. That is pretty amazing. That is pretty amazing. If that's not a bankroll builder, I don't know what is. But if you have enough money, if your buy-in is big enough, and you don't have no fear, you would have to throw, okay? You would have to throw the 7 every single time after the point come out. Now, I don't know about you. I play craps every single day almost. And I'm telling you, very rare do you see multiple 7s come on the point after. Sure, you're going to see quick 7s happen. But it's very rare that it goes like consistent, right? Usually, like, I mean, think about it. Imagine every time somebody sets all their money out there, the 7 comes immediately. They set their money again on the next point. The 7 comes immediately. Everybody on the table will get pissed off and leave, right? So that usually doesn't happen. So with these levels, the 10,000 would be really, really good. But if you go, like me personally, I wouldn't even start this at a quarter across. I would start this at level 1 as $50 across. Because I would keep it at level 1 like that. Just the way we played it, that's the way I would play it. Because you want to get $70 to $100 a pop. You want to get 70 to 100 for every roll. Get a hit, turn off your bets. Get a hit, turn off your bets. Get a hit, turn off your bets. So if the table's not crowded, the dealer is just going to leave you up and he's just going to turn your bets off. He doesn't have to keep coming up and down every time. When he realizes what you're doing, and the best way to play would be on the self-bet. This is perfect for the self-roll and the self-bet. Now, guys, with me as the shooter, oh my God, I will make a fortune on this strategy. The Survivor, baby, by Gamble with Jimmy. Let's go. Let's go. I'm doing this bad boy tomorrow. That's what I'm talking about. Give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go.